Namaste folks, I am Kurta Coder and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about helping you level up. This is the first video in the playlist Build AI Apps with React. And today we are going to start with basics of React. The agenda is divided into three parts. 1. What is React? 2. Why React? 3. Features of React. And finally, we'll take a simple take-home exercise. So please stay tuned till the end of the video. What is React? React is a JavaScript library, not framework, that enables the creation of fast and interactive UIs of both web and mobile applications. It is an open source, component-based front-end framework that promotes reusability and efficiency in development. Let's see how React works. React relies on a concept of chunking, usually refers to breaking up a content into small, distinct units of information. So these distinct units of information are nothing but components. Let's take an example. This is a website of famous website, right? It's Amazon.com. And if I say to you that let's build this using React. So what should we do? So step number 1 is creating components or doing visual chunking. So looking at this website, I can clearly see I can divide this into 3 parts. 1, header, component number 1. 2, banner, that's my component number 2. And 3rd is the component which contains a lot of components. That's a recommendations component, which is generally what we see, right? And it has got a lot of smaller component called as recommendation component. So just to summarize, we created components first, and components are nothing but Lego pieces. And React lets you build user interfaces out of these individual pieces. So this was our header component, then the banner component, and finally the recommendations component, and which had a lot of smaller components, which we named as recommendation, singular. And step number 2 is it lets you use all these individual pieces and create a web page or website. So when header component, banner component, recommendations component come together, we get Amazon's web page. Next part, why React? First, it's SEO friendly because of its ability to render content dynamically, and when combined with certain techniques, it improves how search engines crawl and index your website. Next, it has got the concept of reusable components. Developers can build scalable, maintainable, and efficient applications with minimal redundancy and maximum performance. Next, React promotes unidirectional data binding, meaning data can flow only in one direction. And this helps in building scalable and maintainable applications, reducing complexity. And advantage of it is it's easier to debug and more efficient. Finally, it promotes performance and faster rendering. React's architecture ensures efficient updates, fast rendering, and a seamless user experience. Virtual DOM optimizes rendering, memoization and state management minimizes unnecessary updates, and the concept of lazy loading and server-side rendering boosts speed and performance. Part 3, or the agenda 3, is the features. React has got a lot of features, and we will be seeing all these features in detail in our coming videos. JSX, it's JavaScript XML. VDOM is virtual DOM, which is the representation of real DOM. One-way data binding, that's props. Then state is nothing but components memory. Then we will focus on types of component briefly, and we will briefly discuss the difference between class and functional component. And please remember, throughout this course, we will create functional components. Next up is React Router. It helps you build single-page application. React Lifecycle. React has got a set of methods or functions during the lifecycle of component, which we will see in detail in our coming videos. And finally, hooks. Hooks are functions, and hooks let you use different React features from your components. To recap, we started with what is React. React is a JavaScript library. Why React? Because it's easy to use, performant, and loads faster. And some features of React. Finally, it's time for take home. Feel free to pause the video here and take a screenshot of this page. The take home is, can you do a visual chunking of this web page, that's apple.com, similar to what we did with amazon.com. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on React and web development. Also drop a comment below if you have any questions. I would love to help. Happy coding.